All right, y'all, let's do this high ball fade in 1 minute and 21 seconds. I'm about to break it down. Let's go. Number 2 on top. I told him I was going to leave it like that, give him the George Jefferson. Let's go ahead and create that first guideline using whatever edges you got. Balled out the bottom using your shavers, flip it around. Second guideline, we're going to do no guard, lever all the way open. Third guideline, you're going to grab your number 1, open that lever all the way, blend that in all the way into that number 2 on top. After we fade up the bottom, that line that we see right there in the middle, we'll come and get that with the half guard. Fourth, we're going to come back to the bottom. We're going to attack that bottom line using the 3-step system. Lever close, lever halfway open, lever all the way open. If your clippers are in 0 gap, you might need to come back to the bottom and tap it a little bit just to clean it up with your edgers. Last step, you're going to grab that half guard, close the lever halfway, fade it out, close as needed, and repeat the same steps on the other side and in the back. Razor work, yeah, he's ready for whatever. Antes y después.